Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I want to tell you something before I do this. Now, this is a tasting video, but I have been drinking this stuff: Don Francisco's Kona Blend Coffee, medium roast, 10% Kona blended with premium Arabica coffee. And I want to tell you something. This stuff is strong. I drank some last night when I finally got to take a shower and before I went to sleep, and I went, "Oh my God, this stuff is strong." So I had to put 3 Splendas in it this morning, and let's see if that helps with my creamer. It's still very strong, and I cut down to the minimum amount of coffee. So if you get that, it's medium roast. It wakes you up. Okay, now I haven't had this in a very long time. It's been so long since I can't remember what it tastes like. So we're going to try this. This is Claimjumper'S banana cream pie. When I took the plastic lid off, I've already tried the filling, or whatever you call it, whipped cream. There's the pie. And I had this sit overnight, so I'm going to cut this. And they put these almond chips on it, and I tried the filling. In fact, this is still, it sounds like it's still frozen. So we will see. It said sit overnight. What's been sitting since midnight, and it's 7:32 in the morning. And thanks to that company that put me $100 in the hole, I'm $42 overdrawn instead of $7 now. I don't care for the topping or whatever it is here. Used to go to Marie Callender's, and that was excellent. Banana cream pie, but well, you live and learn. Get this thing out of here. It's oozing all over the place, and it's fighting me. Hold on. Yeah, it still feels like it's frozen, but I'm going to try it anyway. Chunks are flaking off, trying to go on the floor. Let's see. Yeah, I can hear the, whatever it is, it's crunchy. All right, I got a slab out here at last. Oh boy. And it's very crusty. Now, if I don't like the filling, the cream, then I may not like the pie either. It's not sweet enough. Well, it has a consistency of really thick shaving cream. All right, here we go. Oh, it's still frozen. I think you have to leave this out for a while, out of the icebox. All right, let's try this. It's crunchy pie. Now, I don't know what they did, but when I've had banana cream pie in the past, it's been sweet. And this filling is not sweet at all. And I happen to love banana cream pie. It's one of my all-time favorites. And you can see it here. So I'd have to leave this out for like probably half an hour for it to stop being crunchy. And all these pies so far, the crust is like undermade, undercooked or something. Here's a crust. So I guess you want real pie. If you can find such a thing, you got to find a pie shop in there. In California, disappearing because people are eating healthy. All right, the inside isn't bad if it wasn't half frozen or something. But I don't like the whipped cream. I could have done without the almonds. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this, the filling is about an 8. The whipped cream is about a 1. The crust is about a 3. So I wouldn't. Well, I should have stuck to the peach. Now I'll eat the peach later on today. I gotta call Xfinity, and I couldn't pay my internet bill because I didn't have any time Friday. So I gotta call them and see if they can extend it till Monday. They caused this problem in the first place. And that other company, I have not gotten $100 back. And I told them if I incur the NSF fees and the bank refuses to remove them, I expect you to cover them. Because it's your fault, your stupid software charged me $100 instead of $10. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Hope you're staying warm and dry. Hope you enjoy your football. And this is adventures and tasting, and well, this wouldn't win the playoffs for me. So now I gotta eat this thing. Wash down the semi-frozen pie with coffee. Oh, a little too hot. All right, have a great day. I'll catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now, and I would not get this. So see you later.